Happy 2019 YouTubers. This is Roger back with you from Gateway Cycles. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Everybody's safe and sound. Got a new video for you today. We took in a new vehicle over the holidays. It's a 2015 Ducati Scrambler full throttle. Let me give you a walk around on this nice machine here. We got an 803 cubic centimeter twin cylinder motor here. Get you a good close-up shot of that nice Ducati motor there. This thing's got 75 horsepower, air-cooled. Look at that exhaust on it. It's got a Terramagoni muffler on it. I don't know if you can see here. I'll get you a close-up there. We got Brembo anti-lock brakes in the rear and up front as well. I'll get you a shot of that in just a moment. Get around here and show you those Brembo brakes up front. 4-piston big brakes on this thing. This thing will stop great. Haven't had an opportunity to ride this one yet. Weather has not been permitting. And let's take a look at this LCD dash on it here. Got nice low miles on it. Looks like 2935 miles on it. And let's crank it up here and see what it sounds like. Oh man, sounds like a Ducati. Guys, come on down here to Gateway Cycles and check this thing out for yourself, or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. Thanks for watching.